Hi, this is Larry Zorro. We're doing another video today. You know, I've been craving young potatoes, the small ones, not quite formed, big yet. But I was craving them. I looked for some. I got 3 of them. And man, it's worth the whole garden. Look at this. Can you see that? I don't know if you can see it or not. Look at that. Look at that potato. No holes in it or anything. It's just perfect. I grew it in a pillar. Heavenly. Oh, taste something like that. You know there's a God in heaven. Oh, he created great things. Oh, yeah. Oh, look, I put cheese on it, too. I don't know why, but I'm hungry for cheese. No. And you know what? This stuff wasn't grown on sludge. No, that bio-sludge. The treatment plant in your neighborhood. Or in your city. Hey, we'll give you fertilizer. Hey, or maybe they'll be selling it. They're probably in our bags of fertilizer now. You know Bill Gates is going to be selling it. French fries, the potatoes to McDonald's, that'll be grown in sludge. Oh, we gotta conserve, and use everything. Oh, not our feces. You got to be kidding. Not the drugs, not the stuff from the mortuary, not Drano and all that crap in society. I don't want none of that in my food. Oh, but this is the foods of heaven. This is the food of heaven. Oh, potatoes. I love it. Today I worked out a little bit. No, I didn't lift weights. No, I went out there, dug some post holes, and I'll show you a picture of my tomato plants. They're already large, overtaking the cages to, these little cheap cages you buy at Walmart or someplace. They're already getting big, and so I put a big hole, cut down a little tree, oak tree, and I just put the sprig right there next to it and tied the cage. That is the system right there. It's to have a cage, and then to have some other sturdy device. When it outgrows the cage, it's bound to bend the cage and flop over. And you don't want that to happen. You want to tie it up real good. Oh, but if the tomatoes or anything like these potatoes, if they're not going to be good this year, I might just start growing potatoes. Oh, they're good. They're good. Oh. 3 little potatoes. That's all it was. 3 little potatoes. I did this panoramic view of the garden to really give you a layout of it. I did some weeding today. You don't have to weed. You can just let those weeds grow up. Why? Because your plants are in a pillar. In case you don't know what I'm talking about pillar gardening. It's I wrote a book. It's hay gardens without bales, but the pillars are kind of like bales. You make them in a wire cage, and circular. You have a core within that cage of soil, but you should. And I tried something different today. I mean, not today, but this year. Putting wood down at the base. It dries out the soil. Don't put wood in there at all. Don't put chips. Don't put nothing but hay in there. Better quality growth. Anyway, I found that out the hard way. Don't use wood. It ain't gonna rot that fast. And it'll soak up all the moisture. I only did some of them that way. Not the whole thing. Excuse me, but I gotta eat some more of this. Good. Oh. Yeah, you can go on. You can go on YouTube and you can do videos on Bitcoin. But can you eat Bitcoin? No, you can't. I'll show you some pictures in my garden, how it's going. Like I said, I had a panoramic view. You'll be interested in that. I'm getting to where I think I'll do the pathways just with clover. So it grows up a foot high. But it puts nitrogen in the soil And it's a little wet to walk on, but I walk with boots anyway. Well, this is all, fantastic gardens, pays off, and the potato is one of the easiest things to grow. I wouldn't put so much hay on it like I did this year. It rots out the tubers, not the tubers, but the stems. Just put a little bit. You don't have to heap up soil and stuff like that. Unless it's growing, you can add to it slowly. But what I did was just put a bunch of stuff under there, rotted it out. It had to grow back. It's not the best way to do it, but I did some right, and this must have been some of the right ones. Oh yeah, oh, whoa, oh yeah. You can get my book on Amazon. I made it real cheap to buy. Well, anyway, God bless. See you later. Bye.